Good morning, kindred soap makers, and to those of you who are soapcraft curious. Today, I've put together a short demonstration to explain to you why soap made from coconut oil is often called harsh and drying, but yet lots of soap makers use 100% coconut oil bars to make a rich, bubbly shampoo bar that leaves your hair soft. How can these two things both be right? If you're interested in the craft of soap making, come along with me while I explain some nuance and details about the most common ingredients that we use to make our luxury bath products. Welcome to the Thermal Mermaid, and today I'm going to put together a simple recipe that any beginner soap maker can try, and I'm going to explain why it works so well. We're going to be making a solid shampoo bar made from 100% coconut oil. For 1 pound of soap, we'll use 16 ounces of coconut oil, 2.4 ounces of lye, and 5.6 ounces of water. That is it. Our only ingredients in this bar of soap will be water, sodium hydroxide, and coconut oil. Now, coconut oil is a little bit different than all of the other common soap making oils because its molecules are shaped differently. And some of those molecules create lipids that we call lauric fatty acids, and some of them we call myristic fatty acids. And when we make soap out of those fats, we get unique properties in our soap compared to the properties from soap made from other oils. So coconut oil is known to do two things. It bubbles with big fat beautiful bubbles. Nice quality since it's soap we want. And it cleans really well. Another bonus. But wait a minute. What does that even mean? Because all soap cleans. Well, soap made from coconut oil cleans very efficiently. In fact, it's so good at pulling dirt and oil away from your skin that it can strip all the oil off your skin, leaving you feeling squeaky dry. And that's where some people say, "Whoa, that's harsh." As a side note, that is not the same kind of harsh as a bar of soap with too much lye in it. Feeling stripped from a coconut oil bar of soap is not going to hurt you in any way. It just leaves your skin feeling dry. So not something that you would use every day, and definitely not something that you would use in your hair. But as a soap maker, what you want to know about this ingredient is it's not the coconut oil that's drying to your skin. In fact, coconut oil is moisturizing, and it's protective to your skin barrier, and it eases things like psoriasis and eczema. If you've ever just rubbed a little bit of coconut oil on your skin, you'll notice that it has a little bit of a greasy feel to it, and it lingers and it stays there for a little bit. This is not going to dry your skin out. And that's because it's not the coconut oil that dries you. It's how the soap behaves when it's made from coconut oil. Coconut oil soap dissolves faster than other soaps. And what that means is it's losing its little molecules over your skin and it's picking up dirt and oil faster and it's washing that away. So in actuality, the soap is just working faster and more efficiently. And for that reason, we can take 100% coconut oil, craft a bar of soap, and then we can incorporate 20% more oil that will never turn into soap and build that into the bar. Just allow that to stay free floating in the bar so that when you use this on your skin and in your hair, it's blending more clean oil as it washes away the old oil and it cleanses and moisturizes at the same time. And that is how a coconut oil bar of soap with a 20% super fat can go from not a good skin and face bar to a luxury moisturizing bar. Now, I use this simple formula almost every single day. I do not buy store-bought shampoo, and the only shampoo that I use is what I make, but that's a process. So this is my everyday hair cleanse. If you use this form of soap, let me know in the comments your opinion on a coconut oil bar of soap with high ratios of superfat, and subscribe to this channel where I post soap making tips and tricks to help you grow your soap craft skills. Now, you might just know enough about soap making to say, yeah, I see people do this all the time, but now I've got a dozen other questions. And if that's you, my friend, then you are not a beginner. But don't worry, I've got you covered. This discussion was just a snip of my coconut oil category in Lesson 6 of the Intermediate Soap Making course at Cottage DIY. I created a little corner in my soap course dedicated to all the things that more advanced soap makers ask about when using coconut oil in soap making, and cover all of that over there. So if this just sparked your curiosity, but now you want to know how and why the exact same formula can be modified to make dish soap and laundry powder, and then right back to an expensive salt bar for a spa day, you'll want a more in-depth demonstration. I also cover how to calculate your more advanced formulas with a super fat that's added when you use coconut milk. So there's a lot more to know, and that's all there for you. If you want access to that, let me just show you where it is. Inside your Soapcraft dashboard, look to the course lesson at the top and click on Lesson 6. Once you're there, click on Lesson 6 Part 11, and this will satisfy everything that you wanted to know about using coconut oil in your Soapcraft.